friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market price in the Alicante region for properties. And today, friends, I'm showing you a bungalow, top floor bungalow for the price of 148,000 euros with 2 bedrooms, completely renovated, a beautiful rooftop terrace with beautiful mountain views, and located 1.5 kilometers away from the Naufragus beach, but it's in a very beautiful community. It has a beautiful pool, green areas, it has a tennis court and a football playground actually to use inside the community for all who are living there inside. So the beach is beautiful, it's the Naufragus beach with boats, the beach is sandy, it's nice. So located actually close to supermarkets, the Carrefour. You're just driving like 1.5 or 1 kilometer to Carrefour and to Habaneros shopping center, so everything is very close by. Okay, so let's dive into the property, let's go directly to the place, and I'm showing you everything from inside. Follow me. Okay, so we are now entering to the property. This will be your main entrance, and you see you have in these blocks, on these properties, you have always one property down below with a ground floor terrace and one property at the top with a rooftop terrace like this. In this case we have as well a small terrace in front, and obviously you have to go some stairs up, and this counts as a bungalow, and it's pretty popular here for foreign investors because they're more private than apartments. You have less neighbors, you have a beautiful urbanization with nice community, with pools, etc. So this property in particular is actually renovated, so follow me inside. I'll show you everything because the floors are new, everything is painted, furniture are new, and air conditioning is installed. This is your living room with window. As you can see, we have 2 bedrooms here. The bathroom is renovated as well. The bedrooms are quite big for a property like that. You see, we have enough space. You can easily put a very small table here to work, fitted in wardrobes, and yeah, then the second bedroom is on the other side. So basically, you would rarely find apartments or bungalows in general properties which are already renovated and you don't have to do nothing inside. Well, probably here you have to change some furniture, but globally you don't need to do, well, so much. Okay. So we have the dining area, the living area, the 2 bedrooms, and the kitchen also done with water heater, fridge, everything what you need is here. And behind this property, behind here, so this door leads you directly to the top, to the rooftop terrace. Follow me upstairs, let's go. Okay, so here we have the rooftop terrace. I think the most interesting place in this property. We have a lot of space, outside space here. We have a storage room here, another storage room there. We can dry our clothes, we can put a barbecue here, and we have a little bit of views to the Salinas and beautiful mountain views around this property. So actually a very nice opportunity for 148,000 euros, friends. I think it's a good opportunity because currently we have the prices skyrocketed. And if you're following our channel, you know exactly what kind of price here in Spain we have, and the prices are skyrocketing, like months to months. They're always going up, and this is like that the last 3 years. Okay, so for example, if this kind of property could buy like 3 years ago for 100,000 euros, now it's 148, and it's still cheap in comparison to other properties which are for sale we have on our website. So we have 2 bed apartments for 160, and this one you could buy for 148,000 euros. So I think it's a fair price in the current market situation, the current market condition. It's a fair price. So if you want to buy, reserve this apartment, let us know. And if you're interested in in our company or how we work, because soon we'll start podcasts, videos, and live streams. So subscribe to this channel to not miss our podcasts and live streams about the real estate market here in Spain. We will talk more detailed about that. So stay tuned, and I hope you like the video. Like this video, and see you soon, friends, in sunny Spain.